Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to flatten land in Minecraft. So let's get started. To get flattened land fast in Minecraft, you can use two ways. These are the materials you will need. First method is use maxed out efficiency shovel to get through dirt easily. Use maxed out efficiency pickaxe for stone. You can use beacon to maximize the speed of this process. Repeat the process until you achieve the desired flatness. Second method is to use TNT to get through the road of blocks quickly. Repeat the process until you achieve the desired flatness. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.